Hey everyone, welcome back to Bias Positive Digital Rice. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most talked about crypto projects of 2026, BlockDAG, ticker BDAG. This is an investigation into the facts, the hype, the risks, and the doubts that emerged along the way. No sugarcoating, just reality. BlockDAG is a layer 1 blockchain built on a hybrid of proof of work and DAG technology. Its goal? To process thousands, maybe even 15,000 transactions per second. Ambitious, fast, and promising scalability like few others in crypto. Tokenomics looks solid on paper. Fixed supply of 150 billion BDAG, decreasing emission for miners, and utility for gas, bridging, and decentralized apps. 50% goes to miners, 33% to presale, hundreds of millions raised, 12% to community, 3% to liquidity, and 1% to the team, locked for 2 years. But presale and miner allocations lack clear vesting, leaving room for massive market dumps and price volatility. Yet tokenomics is only part of the story. Concerns have been circulating across communities, analysts, and investigative reports. Governance and transparency appear weak. Leadership changed repeatedly, from Anthony Turner as the public face to Nick van der Berg as CEO, with hints of a hidden founder linked to controversial past projects. Presale funds reportedly over $450 million have unclear trails, including transfers via OTC brokers in the Middle East, $110 million untraceable to Binance, and unpaid sponsorship commitments. Company registration is inconsistent. Claims range from San Francisco, Seychelles, which drew regulatory warnings, to Samoa, but many say it's not officially registered anywhere. Investors are left asking, who really runs this project? Execution has been uneven. The presale dragged on over 1.5 years with repeated final chance warnings to create FOMO. The mainnet launch was delayed multiple times, mid-2025, late 2025, early 2026. Complaints continue even after launch. RPC errors, failed token claims, low on-chain activity. Minor hardware shipments remain incomplete, with suppliers allegedly unpaid. Red flags multiply. Investigators, including prominent crypto analysts, have called it a fake project or investment scam, citing exaggerated ROI claims, suspected white paper plagiarism, and minimal GitHub activity despite massive marketing. Phishing and fake sites selling BDAG exist, and contracts may contain backdoors blocking investor claims. Liquidity and market risk remain high. Daily trading volume is low compared to a FDV of $9 billion. After listings on exchanges like LBank and Bitmart in early March 2026, the price immediately became volatile, pressured by presale holders with almost no vesting. Official liquidity pools cover only 3 to 3.5% of total supply, too small to absorb large dumps. Here's where a seed of doubt emerged. After the exchange listing on March 6, deposits weren't opened. Investors who had waited years during the presale suddenly had to wait months more, with open deposit now scheduled for June 2026. This 3-month limbo created uncertainty and frustration. Meanwhile, BlockDAG also conducted an after-sale post-listing. On the surface, this contradicts their stated goal of price stability and protecting against large dumps. The strategy appeared inconsistent, sending mixed signals to investors. Technical adoption is still unproven. DAG plus POW promises high TPS, but real DApp usage is minimal. Competition is fierce. Caspa, Solana, and others have mature ecosystems. Audits are partial. Internal completed, Halborn done, Certix still in progress, leaving mainnet security unverified independently. Community trust is fragile. Token claims fail, wallets don't display holdings, and support is slow or deflective. Moderators often redirect questions privately, and users raising critical questions have been banned. From a personal perspective, as an early investor myself, I can tell you, it's exhausting. Years of waiting, the constant updates, the delays, the uncertainty. Mentally, it drains you. Emotionally, it weighs heavy. The potential financial loss is real, but so is the lost time and energy. This is not just about money. It's about mental bandwidth, patience, and resilience. In short, BlockDAG has ambition, funds, and potential, but the biggest concerns remain trust, execution, and strategy consistency. Analysts describe it as high risk, high reward. Many presale investors are frustrated. Promises versus reality still don't match. From a tokenomics perspective, BDAG scores 7 out of 10. Fixed supply, decreasing emission, low team allocation, and utility are strengths. Weak points like presale dumping risk, unclear circulating supply, liquidity limits, governance issues, and inconsistent post-listing strategy demand caution. And as always, do your own risk before investing. BlockDAG is a story of ambition, hype, and reality, investigated as accurately as possible. If you found this useful or have your own thoughts, go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe to Bias Positive Digital Rise, because in crypto, understanding the real story is what gives you the edge.